Python is one of the most popular and widely used programming languages today, thanks to its simplicity, rich features, and extensive library support. Its clean and straightforward syntax makes it ideal for beginners, while its powerful libraries and frameworks make it a top choice for developers. This Python tutorial offers a comprehensive guide covering both basic and advanced concepts, such as conditional statements, loops, built in data structures, object oriented programming, generators, exception handling, Python regex, and much more. This tutorial is ideal for both beginners and working professionals. Now let's begin the journey of learning Python. First of all, we will see what is Python. Python is a general purpose high level programming language that is dynamically typed, both compiled and interpreted, garbage collected, and fully supports object oriented procedural and functional programming paradigms. Now let us see simple Python program. Print in the curly braces hello world. In Python, it is one line of the code. It requires simple syntax to print hello world. After running this code, your output will be this.